Okay, the rate, keyword is rate, at which a baby bird gains weight. So that means the rate at which the weight is changing is proportional to the difference between its adult weight and its current weight. I'm not sure what that means, so just keep reading. At time equals 0, when the bird is first weighed, its weight is 20 grams. I would write that down. And I always like amount versus rate tables, Danica's chart. So I have amount. So when the bird is first weighed, is 20 grams. If B of t is the weight of the bird, so the amount over here is B. And we know that B of 20, B of 0 is 20. Then they give me this formula, that's my rate. That's dB dt. So the rate is dB dt. B of t is the solution to the differential equation with this initial condition. That makes sense. If I have this differential equation and I want to find the solution to the differential equation, I'm going to find this, and that would be using the SASE method. Now they haven't asked us to find anything like that yet, but that's what this all means. The question says, is the bird gaining weight faster? So is the weight increasing? Is the weight increasing faster when the bird weighs 40 grams or when the bird weighs 70 grams? So very common for them to ask on the AP test, is the weight increasing faster? Means we've got to compare what dB dt is doing at those two different weights. So I write on my paper, dB dt at a weight of W equals 40, that's going to equal 1 over 5, 100 minus 40. I don't have to work that out, but it might be a little easier to interpret if I do. I can use my calculator if I want. This will be 60 divided by 5, which is 12. And remember, the units of B are, let's see, grams. This will be 12 grams per, the units of time in this case, time is in days. So 12 grams per day. So when the bird weighs 40 grams, the bird is gaining weight at 12 grams per day. Then I do the exact same thing. So I write dB dt at a weight of 70 grams. It's going to equal 1 over 5, 100 minus 70, 30 over 5, that's 30, divided by 5 is 6 grams per day. I said I had to explain my reasoning, so I've got it now. That's my explanation, so I just write therefore. Oh, that's not fun. Therefore, that little select thing. Therefore, the bird gains Wait. Faster. At, or I should say when, the bird weighs, the low on the board here, it's hard to write, weighs 40 grams. So for that problem, they will give you 1 point if you correctly found these two numbers. And then if you have the correct conclusion, which is the red, they will give you 1 more point. You can't get the red point though unless you have earned the purple point. You have to have the purple point information first, and then you can get the red point. You can't get the red point alone.